I am Varun Sachar, founder and CEO of ASUN Trackers Private Limited. I am very pleased to introduce a new solar tracking technology in collaboration with Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Now, this technology is totally unique. That's why we have the patent for this, not only for India, but for North America and for entire Europe. So total put together, I can say that we have got the patent for 40 countries. Now, this design is so unique that it overcomes the shortcoming of the existing horizontal single-axis trackers. So the uniqueness in this technology is it can address all the seasons in the year. It is not, it's quite effective during summers, quite effective during spring, autumn, and winters. So that's the uniqueness of this technology. I have many variants in this. If I have to show you, this is the 2-axis tracker, which moves not only from east to west but also from north to south. This is seasonal tilt single-axis tracker, which you can tilt up to 50 degrees. Then I have a tilted single-axis tracker with same degree of tilt, and then the horizontal single-axis tracker. Now, the advantage of this tracking system is that it can be used. It is an ideal design for bifacial modules. You can see here the rays which are falling on the ground are reflecting on the back of the module, and the rays are falling in between the two modules. And another is falling on the top of the module and reflecting and bouncing back on the reverse of the adjoining module. So this gives you as high as 8 to 10% extra energy. This is the benefit of this design for a bifacial module. Another advantage I can talk about is for agrovoltaic. For agrovoltaic application, this is an ideal design. We are here now to introduce, and you can contact us. You can visit our website called asuntracker.com. Thank you very much.